Hello everyone, welcome back to our ATA Learning Hub. This is Teacher Anna. In the previous video, we already learned how to use 比 to structure the comparative sentence in Chinese like A, 比 B followed by the adjective.
Today we will learn how to structure comparative sentence in Chinese. The 比 preposition, which means then, compare.
And we also know the interrogative sentence or the question sentence generally end with a modal particle, ma. So in today's video, we will learn what is the other ways to express a comparison sentence or its meaning aside from using 比 like I taught you last time, and you have a raw idea or raw knowledge about something, but you are not sure about it. So in that case, what modal particle can you use apart from 嘛 to construct your question sentence? Let's see if you already know this grammar way to express a comparison or its meaning aside from using 比. The use 有 or 没有 for comparison. 有 or its negative form 没有 can be used in a comparison to show the level attained or not yet attained. This kind of comparison is often used in an interrogative sentence and in the negative form. 你有他高吗？你有他高吗？ Are you taller than him? This means that you are comparing with him. Are you as tall as him? Or are you taller than him? 你有他高吗？你有他高吗？那棵树有5层楼那么高。那棵树有5层楼那么高。That tree is as high as a 5-floor building. 棵 a measure word for trees. 一棵树 That tree is being compared to a 5-floor building. They are of the same height. 那棵树有5层楼那么高。那棵树有5层楼那么高。那棵树有5层楼那么高。新加坡没有北京冷。新加坡没有北京冷。Singapore is not as cold as 北京, so compared to Singapore, 北京 is colder. 新加坡没有北京冷。新加坡没有北京冷。我没有你游得好。我没有你游得好。I do not swim as well as you. This also means that I'm comparing myself with you, that you swim better than me. 我没有你游得好。我没有你游得好。我没有你游得好。And if you only has a raw idea or raw knowledge about something but you are not yet sure about it, then the modal particle 吧 is used to raise a question. For example, your friends rarely contact you recently. You can ask, 你最近很忙吧？你最近很忙吧？ You must be very busy recently. In your mind, it's kind of like You used to text me every day. Now it's been 3 days yet. You didn't text me. I think you are very busy recently. Are you? 你最近很忙吧？你最近很忙吧？ Friend of you got a ticket at Taylor Swift's concert. You can ask, 票一定很难买吧？票一定很难买吧？ Tickets must be difficult to buy, right? So in your mind is, come on, Taylor Swift's concert ticket. Lucky you. I think the tickets are hard to buy. 票一定很难买吧？票一定很难买吧？ That's another example. You see a man or a woman who is a good figure. You could ask, 你很喜欢健身吧？你很喜欢健身吧？ You like to go gym or fitness, right? So in your mind, it's kinda, cause look at you. You have a nice figure. I think you like to go to the gym. 你很喜欢健身吧？你很喜欢健身吧？ That's all for today. 你们听懂了吧？你们听懂了吧？再见。